Hi babies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Mara back at it again with another romance YouTube video. So today, as you guys can tell, the title, we are doing a wig install video. As you guys can tell, I already have the wig on. This is what it looks like. The curls are like soft curls, and the wig is actually very soft itself. As you guys could tell, very much scalp is very much given. Okay, it's given. And yeah, basically I'm just gonna show you guys how to install this very quick and easy wig. This is what it looks like lengthwise. I'm not sure how long it is. Everything's going to be down in the description box so you guys can check it out, but I forgot how long the wig is. But this is how long it looks on me. Yeah, I think it is 22 inches, but yes. Let's get started with this video. So today we collaborating with Elva Hair, I think that's how you say it. But basically I'm just showing you guys what it brought in the box. It brought a comb and then a wig cap and then obviously the hair. Okay, so now I'm just parting my hair because I did decide to braid my hair for this wig. I usually just do a bun, but if I think I'm gonna keep the wig on for longer than a day, I do braids, and I just do 3 on each side, so basically 6. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing for this clip. So I'm just installing the wig cap, and what I do is I spray it down with the got2b spray and then obviously dry with the blow dryer and then cut it. So next I just put foundation on the wig cap so it could like low-key match my skin color and it just won't be white. And then I cut the lace into 3 sections, so y'all gonna just see how I cut it. Okay, so now I'm using the got2b glue because I don't use the spray no more. I use the glue. You usually do 2 rounds of it, but I low-key used a lot, as you guys can tell. So I only did 1 round, and then I just basically dry it up and then stick it and then do the other sections the same way that I just did the first one. Now I'm just gonna put something to hold like the lace down so it can really stick to my scalp, and then I'm just going to pre-pluck the hair, and then add mousse to it and then use my hot comb to like flat the hair down, even though the hair is already flat, but I just flat it down more. And as you guys could tell, it's already like pre-plucked, but I just pre-plucked it more. And then yeah, that's all I did for this clip. So right now I'm just cutting the lace, and what I'm using to cut it is like the little things that you use to like cut your eyebrows or like do your eyebrows, because I feel like that gets the job done more than just using scissors or something. And what the fuck are you doing? Oh, I was just, you know, spraying it a little bit, you know. Okay, so right now I'm doing the edges, and as you guys could tell, I use mousse to do my edges, and then I like pre-plug the edges just a little bit so it won't look like, you know, won't look like, you know, y'all know the deal. Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. As you guys could tell, the wig was very easy to install, and I actually think I did a good job. And you guys know that I'm not really that good at doing wigs. Like, I'm not a professional or anything. I just learned literally by myself. So if I could do it, you could do it. Else to this wig is going to be down in the description box. So all you gotta do is click the little arrow that's down there, and all of this stuff will pop out. Make sure to check out their website. The hair is very good. It doesn't shed. It is very soft and very lightweight. That's one thing that I like about it. It doesn't feel like I have nothing on my head to where it will probably give me a headache later on, or will make me uncomfortable while I sleep. So that is a good thing. And yes, you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and while you're at it, make sure to click the bell so you're notified every time I post another video. Y'all already know, stay positive, stay cute, and live your best life. And I catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye guys.